You recording me? Because I'm recording you. Now that may be really lousy acting, but these sunglasses are giving me loads of confidence. In this new episode of Fantastic Finds with Plush Plaza, let me introduce you to a really funky pair of camera sunglasses. So when you turn this on, the blue light is going to turn on, and then you can press the power button once again when the blue light starts blinking, which means it's video recording. And to stop it, press this button once more and it stops recording. To change it to camera mode, to still picture mode, press this button. And when the light turns red, that means it's in still camera mode. And to take a picture, just press this button right here and boom, you've taken a photograph. You can also then just transfer all the pictures by plugging in the USB to your computer or your laptop, and you have all the pictures and video that's been saved on this device. Have that transferred onto your laptop. These are great for traveling. Boy, do I love travel gifts. Well, think you're on a safari or something. You can now protect your eyes against the harsh sun and shoot really cool video and audio. To find out more, email us at info@plushplaza.com, follow us on Twitter and Instagram at plushplaza, and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel right here. That's all that I have for you this week. I'll see you soon and you have a plush week.